66 million years ago, the dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Then they vanished. An asteroid struck. Firestorms raged. The skies darkened. Entire ecosystems collapsed. But extinction doesn't end life. It resets it. And in the sweltering jungles of what is now South America, something unimaginable began to grow. Not a dinosaur, not a mammal, a snake. A snake so large, so powerful, it would become the true ruler of the post-dinosaur world. This was Titanoboa. The world Titanoboa inherited was not gentle. Temperatures were far hotter than today. Tropical forests stretched endlessly. Swamps steamed under suffocating humidity. And in heat, reptiles thrive. Because reptiles depend on environmental warmth, higher global temperatures allow them to grow larger. Much larger. Scientists estimate Titanoboa reached lengths of up to 42 feet and weighed more than a ton. Its body was as thick as a tree trunk. This was not just a bigger snake. This was the largest snake ever discovered. Chapter 2. Born in the River. Titanoboa did not stalk dry land like modern pythons. It ruled the water. Fossils found in ancient coal mines suggest it lived in massive river systems, sharing its habitat with giant prehistoric crocodilians and enormous fish. But nothing in that ecosystem rivaled its size. Imagine standing at the edge of a murky Paleocene river. The water seems still. Then the surface ripples, not from wind, from something moving below. 40 feet of muscle gliding silently, waiting. Titanoboa was not venomous. It didn't need to be. Like modern boas, it killed by constriction. But scale matters. When Titanoboa struck, it didn't just wrap around prey, it crushed it. With each tightening coil, blood circulation stopped, organs collapsed, bones fractured. A crocodilian weighing hundreds of pounds would stand no chance. One moment alive, the next slowly compressed into silence, and then swallowed whole. During seasonal floods, rivers would overflow into the surrounding forest, and Titanoboa would follow. Picture this: floodwaters swallowing the jungle floor, animals scrambling for higher ground. The water suddenly bulges. A massive scaled body emerges from the brown current. Its head rises above the flooded trees. Its tongue flickers, sensing body heat. In a single explosive movement, it lunges. The impact alone sends prey scattering. Mud erupts, water crashes, and when the chaos settles, something is missing, dragged beneath the surface. After the extinction of the dinosaurs, ecosystems were rebuilding. Large mammalian predators had not yet evolved. Birds were smaller. Reptiles dominated. In this vulnerable window of Earth's history, Titanoboa sat at the top. There were no rivals, no tyrannosaurs, no giant mammal hunters, only heat and a snake built to exploit it. For millions of years, the river belonged to Titanoboa. In 2009, scientists working in Colombia's Cerrejón coal mine uncovered enormous vertebrae. At first, they seemed impossible, too large to belong to any known snake, but analysis confirmed it. These fossils belonged to a prehistoric boa species unlike anything seen before. They named it Titanoboa cerejonensis. The name means Titanic boa from Cerejon, and it changed our understanding of reptile evolution forever. Titanoboa's size tells us something important. To grow that large, global temperatures must have been significantly warmer than today. That means Titanoboa is more than a predator. It is evidence, a biological thermometer from deep time. Its body size reveals just how extreme Earth's climate once was. In a way, Titanoboa is a warning from the past. When the world heats up, nature builds giants. Titanoboa did not vanish overnight. As millions of years passed, global temperatures gradually cooled. Forests changed. New predators evolved. Mammals grew larger. The window that allowed a 1-ton snake to dominate slowly closed, and Titanoboa faded into extinction, leaving behind only fossils and questions. Could a snake like Titanoboa live in today's world? Unlikely. Modern ecosystems and cooler global temperatures would limit such extreme growth. But its descendants remain. Modern boas and anacondas still dominate rivers in South America. And when you see a massive anaconda sliding silently through murky water, you are looking at the shadow of Titanoboa, a reminder that Earth once built something far larger. When people think of prehistoric terror, they imagine dinosaurs. But after the dinosaurs fell, the rivers were not empty. They were claimed by a serpent, 42 feet long, 1 ton of muscle, the undisputed ruler of the Paleocene jungle. Titanoboa did not destroy the world, it inherited it, and for millions of years, it ruled it.